Jimmy.
Yes?
My arm is green. Smell it. Am I musty?
Yes. Your arm is not green. Your arm is just brown.
Your arm brown? Your arm brown. You think I color your arm?
Smell it. Smell
she
it.
don't know green. Have you asked her if your arm stinky?
Is my arm stinky?
Smell if my arm stinky. Smell my arm.
I said.
Yeah. You tell her, man, stink, man. I'll cough, I'll cough.
No man be the suit and strap.
Brown. So I am think must Jim say I'm brown.
Who not fear me the money going? OJ! Thank you! OJ, thank you. OJ, come shoot, give me a whole heap of gift for night in a bit.
Look up PG.
Me not be till me get all of my money.
They say brown, but you think.
Come guys. Money gone. Come on, my team. We have a long way to go with those money guns. Come on, guys. We get 6.
Yo, so so much somebody there on Friday. I pay there, you know. What man? Now wait till later if you touch out. Big up yourself, OJ. You know where you go. Me know say later mad thing on the road.
Sash.
One I go later. Comment one I go later. Cause me know no stay home on the Friday, you know. Comment one I go later. Club, blood, party, bed.
Taboo.
Na
me yard.
Toll gate now.
Becca.
Toll gate now, you pay toll.
Who sent that?
Bed.
Thank you, baby.
Okay, big up yourself.
Come on, guys.
Bed late, one and day. More people are going to bed later than Ogar Road. Go Club, Riverside.
Church,
Back Road, Chuck Stop. Pally Royal. Shades, GNO. Oh, me about that thing there, you know.
In a girl belly.
The party there full of pretty girl, you know.
What?
GNO Fridays. That's okay, you got because you're pretty. Pretty girl party, man. Yeah.
Are you just a with me?
Somebody are going to graveyard tonight.
Can be a baby mother.
What them are the broke grave? Somebody are going to Canada tonight. Hey, man, you know what me jealous, you know.
Safe flight to Canada.
I'm going to buy a ticket. Gas Friday.
Sash.
Big up, Sash. How many on Gas Friday?
Come on, guys. I'm money going to me a defend.
Work, Sharkies tomorrow. Chinese, KC. Yeah, man, we'll come back to Canada soon. Next year, though. One catch you know about here we have a daughter we are going to school now, so we're traveling to be like when she gets summer holiday. So we are praying for a God spare life and we have health and strength. Summer forward we are like a month in Canada.
Yeah.
You understand?
This time around I'm different. We are going to place them.
Me go somewhere for my birthday in February. Me fly go somewhere for like 3 days. Like take Jim from school on Friday. If you fly it in the evening.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright, bro.
Come on, guys. The money gone them. My birthday, you know, is the Friday. We are take Jim out of school after the funny Friday. And we're going to spend the weekend. And then Monday she going to school. My birthday is December 5th, guys. Write that down in your calendar. You know why me come live when I'm my birthday? Hour.
B. Anything we have put on your birthday wish list, catch something funny for me, yeah?
Me never really make wish list for myself, you know, I only make it for dream. Me never make wish list that I get not dream alone.
Make your wish list from now. Comment if she make one wish list.
Me never make wish list I get nothing yet.
Me never do a wish list yet. My birthday in February, I start my wish list for December. So I go no time to buy up my thing them. December I start my wish list. You see it? January. Anyway, I go for your son on that time.
I think I don't know give things.
Mama,
just stop give me things.
Mama do C-section and paranoid.
Paranoid for what?
Mama no want no picnic.
Me not breed up for no man and spoil up myself. You see when I breed your belly, right now you know see me. Let me show you my 9-month belly right there. My 9-month belly, guys, wouldn't go breathe.
What you say? What you say, Simmons? What you say about you would be?
Me not say nothing about you.
No, come like you don't know if you have a whole heap of informer over this. What Simmons did I say? You don't know how much informer over this. What Simmons did I say? What Simmons did I say? Me too. Me too, boy.
Wouldn't know if you breathe up. The KLYNE farmer.
Simmons say nothing breathe up.
If me do a mommy makeover, of course, right now if me get the money, me go do a tummy tuck. When I see me to blood clean. No, yes, see me a teeth like a board. When you see me, yes, like a saw.
Why me cannot go do you one? Why me cannot go do you one when you inject your bam bam with a little gel?
Me not have body problem.
Hey.
Body is not my problem.
Hey.
Me want to do breast lift and tummy tuck, or that me want.
Drink apple cider.
Not tummy tuck, 360
Me tell you, drink apple cider vinegar and do
that
abs.
now work, that I make you lose weight and you not get rid of what me want to get
Look here. Me have a little big belly and know what me have.
No, fear me, we not talk
What me have get down.
Nobody put it on you. You're not get no
fix?
pit, you're not breathe.
No, my teacher game. Alright, me understand.
What you do and what me do at all.
Alright, baby.
Me do C-section. My belly stretch big for 9 months. So when you go back down, you winkle up.
My stretch feel like me attack.
When you go back down, you winkle up. Stop talking about your little beer belly, brother.
Look here now. Alright, see my father belly now. Me understand the answer. My one, me I get down mine, but different thing. Year one, me understand the answer. You see pregnant belly, you have a little extra skin.
What flip over so when you sit down?
Alright, so no, me teach you.
Instagram model.
Look at me teach you again, understand? You see, you can eat and your belly still. Look here now. Alright, you see abs. You see abs tighten your skin.
Where abs there?
It tighten your skin.
So where there?
Alright, me not lie. Maybe you can use it, you can draw the clear thing. The doctor can take out the clear belly. Eh? What?
No, I love how you're honest and open. So where money
I
there?
know about honest. No, we don't say maybe you can take out the.
So where the money there if you do it?
Eh?
You want to read up, girl, and you not put on money if you do surgery.
You don't know if you get the money, baby?
Where?
Every girl with the surgery, I didn't get the money. I have TikTok.
When?
Every girl with the surgery, I TikTok pay for the surgery.
When?
You don't know them?
A free surgery girl them get me. You know, you too mix up though.
One time, one place for Adam and Nicki links them as. So they want to do her, fly her in to do her body. And me don't know if you would go. But me tell mom, say, look here, you're not going.
A designer body me want, me love how designer body do it.
No change.
Hey, designer body do the girl them body good. If you argue with me, say amen. Nobody can tell me no natural.
Link her, boy, they want to fly her in Adam and Nicki. Forgot the body. Like I say, a big head body there with.
Designer body do body good.
You're mad, my friend.
Me do the most dangerous surgery, guys. C-section.
Can't spread out by people
me get my
in a foreign country,
open, so if you take out, baby.
Hey,
so if you do a surgery, me not afraid.
Baby, look here. Look here, man. Look here. More girl need to learn from Rosalie. She's proud of herself and comfortable in her skin. That me love about her. More on need to learn like Rosalie. Rosalie weigh like 10 times you. And she not fret.
That's a Rosalie.
And little Dini you. I have blood clot picture problem, brother. You don't understand.
That's a Rosalie. I want the Instagram model. I want when I put on my bad suit and I can turn every angle and pose.
So Rosa turn every angle?
Be me not talk about Rosalie.
No,
you want me say something for you catch it
no.
For me and Rosalie go down Emmanuel Road by
Baby, come on. You know so nobody know Rosalie like me and your baby.
Don't call my name.
When me I say, she not turn every angle?
Me don't know.
She business?
Me don't know about the lady.
But me love how she be.
That's a she.
Alright. So that's like I'm comfortable with her how she her thing, brother. I say I feel comfortable, baby. Me no know. See woman them when I take picture. Me no know I wanna get this blood clot from Koya. Purse. Where your purse?
Let me your phone.
Where your purse? What again? Every angle. Yes, sir, ass clot. And then by you look at them, say do I know my KFC.
Me a act girl.
So you eat the belly. I had a KFC every night.
Yeah, you do me say.
I had a Starbucks every morning. And then when I picture time, yeah, of course, me hate myself. Me got too big.
Who should I hate themselves?
Check up on the mind.
My you should be more.
You see me?
But you can't get a top about surgery.
You can't tell them a cuss about them belly and me not see none of them are vegan.
Why? When we do surgery and we tummy tucky, we turn vegan. Because we don't want
me not see none of them are vegan. I want somebody me see I eat grass.
No.
Day and night. What's your name? She used to talk one little way.
Me don't know their name. You know their name.
What's your name, man?
Me don't know.
I don't know me at talk. What's your name? I be a girl she eat. She there with Keep Rich. Kizzy.
Oh.
Yeah. She do her body and then she a try. She a protect it. She don't want to go there every minute. Enough of them cat here do them body and just name down the place and when they go get big again, then go drag out back fat again. They not no discipline, bro. You see what I say? They not no discipline. You don't want to look good and like discipline, brother.
Well, if you have the money to do the surgery, yeah, so
you lazy.
Stop.
You just want to go sit down and a nigga jaw out fat. You lazy,
bro. If you don't
bro.
have the money to do the surgery, if you when me have the next week, the pregnancy stop right here. Alright?
So what you say?
Daddy.
So hold on.
Mommy,
If me I make you do your body after your next baby.
Mommy.
You have your next baby?
Yeah. But you have to show me the money, you have to show me the massage money.
When I go for you, I go send you do body money first, yeah? But look here, you're not left the country. Say I go up at John or something. When you? Yo.
Come.
You're not left the country to go do body. I will design a body.
Jamaica.
No, you go up at John or something, whatever you need.
Me not Thanos.
Up there say you go, brother. But me can go and check for you. Yeah. You see it. Can't go no yanda manika go and do body, bro. You see it. Eh? If me break it, me buy. John, yo, me not gonna lie, no still, you know. Me not have no problem with when woman do them body because they look good in a thing. Is me afraid feel like me woman do them thing because me know say every surgery carry risk. You understand? I just that my thing. If it was risk free, no problem, bro. You understand? I just that me kinda skeptic about, you see me? Some will prefer encourage her guy gym, go on a strict diet, but she no love look maga. Cause when she not eat no breakfast and her face kinda look sinking. And people tell her I say rare and she never loved that. So she want to have her weight, but she don't want to have the belly. So I say, eat your good food, but go gym, do the abs them, do what you have to do, and you see me? Yeah. You see me? Yeah, that man can see it, but bro, me see things online too. Me know I see it, you know. But there is so many things can happen, bro. Remember, every surgery can lead to complications. And every surgery carry risk of blood clot and all kind of things. So them things they get me paranoid, bro.
You're not paranoid, but if you go have a pitney for you, do
no, C-section dangerous too.
So you want paranoid when time if you go do the surgery to fix me?
No, but me
well, you don't want paranoid if you do the surgery for the baby.
Me did paranoid at C-section.
Yeah, but you say you want more pitney after you see when we go through. So if you want more pitney, you have to put down the money for do this.
No, you can push next time.
Oh, Miss Bachelor say it's high risk.
Eh?
She say a high risk.
You can push, man.
Me don't want to push out not on my vagina.
So make Miss Bachelor do surgery after she take out the baby?
No, Miss Bachelor specializes in doing that.
So now I said fat. She not just cut out the fat when she saw you back after the C-section. You ever talk to her about that?
She not do that. She not do that, babe.
Eh?
She not do that. You
so
want to have more pitney, but you know. You have to put on the money if you do my body after the pitney first. And me give you next pitney.
Eh?
And me will give you next pitney. Any how much you want. Me give you 3 where they say.
Hey.
Me will give you 2 where they say me can't have.
Somebody asked if I left Jamaica. You know what they say that though?
Do me have any toast bread?
No.
Well, the background?
The house.
No, at Jamaica we there we love.
At Jamaica, man.
Appear rent.
Yeah, go out like American.
We appear rent for this days. We don't own it, yeah? Rent we appear. So if you don't see we night tomorrow.